In this video, we will see how to export a KML file and open it in the Surveyaan mobile app. Here, I will show you how to export a polygon file. This is the Google Earth. Enter the coordinates and select your field. And then click on this button and then mark the points. To stop the drawing, you can double click or press enter. After marking, we can save it as a new KML file. We can also give a name, and here you can select the outline width and color. And also we can choose if we want to fill the polygon with color or not. Then go back and click on the three dots and export the KML file using this button. And the KML file will get saved in your computer. Now I will show you a common mistake clients make. And for that, here I am uploading a KML file from my system. And here you can see the KML file is inside a folder. This should not happen. And to save it as a KML file without a folder, we have to mark the points again on top of the same polygon file here. Before marking, make sure that you go back from this folder. Here I am marking on top of the polygon. After marking, we have to create a new KML file and give a suitable name. And choose your color and width. And now here you can see the new KML file. Here the file has been saved without a folder. And then to save it in your system, export it in the same way that we did before. Now let us upload our KML in the Google Drive. Here I am opening my drive, and after the drive opens, click on New and on File Upload and choose the KML file that you have exported, and then click on Open. Here the KML file has successfully saved in your Google Drive. The next step is to open the KML file in the Surveyaan app. Now we have to select the mission. Click on General Land Survey. Now click on the KML option, and here click on the KML that we have uploaded. And now you can view the KML file in the mobile application. This is how we open a KML file in the mobile application. And thank you for watching the video.